One advantage of joining Bluehost's affiliate program is that they have very high payout commissions. So in 2019 alone, Bluehost paid about 5 million US dollars in affiliate income alone. Can you imagine that? So if you are a member, then you definitely cashed in on this really big payout. Which brings me to the topic of today's video. Today we are going to discuss how you can make up to 130 US dollars per sale as a Bluehost affiliate marketer. And what do we mean by affiliate marketing? So with affiliate marketing is whereby you basically recommend a product or a service to your readers, to your audience, to whoever is willing to hear you. And if you recommend the product or the service to them and they purchase the product using what they call your affiliate link, then the affiliate service or product provider pays you a commission. It comes at no coincidence that one of the highest paying affiliate programs is web hosting platforms. For instance, in Bluehost's affiliate program, when you recommend any of Bluehost affiliate products to anybody who's looking to start their website or their blog, Bluehost, as an affiliate marketer, Bluehost will give you what they call affiliate links that are unique to you, such that when somebody makes a purchase using your product, using your affiliate link, then Bluehost can attach that sale to you and they'll pay you anything starting from 65 US dollars up to 130 US dollars. That's equivalent to 6,500 Kenya shillings to 13,500 Kenya shillings for each individual sale. So Bluehost is a web hosting platform that hosts more than 2 million websites as at the shooting of this video. And interestingly, this is also the same web hosting platform that I use for my evamtali.com website, and I've had them since 2017, and so far no complaints. So it is something that I would very, very proudly recommend to anyone out there who's looking to start a blog. But well, that's not the topic of today's video. Before we get into how to sign up for Bluehost's affiliate program, I'm just going to share with you some of the advantages as well as disadvantages of participating in Bluehost's affiliate program. So the number one advantage of participating in Bluehost's affiliate program, as I have mentioned, is their very large payout. For every sale that you recommend and the person actually makes a purchase of any of the Bluehost's hosting platforms, you will be paid anything from 65 US dollars up to 130 US dollars for every sale. And as once every so often, Bluehost runs different promotions, and as at the shooting of this video, for instance, for every sale that you recommend, you get 100 US dollars. But the best part is that as high as the Bluehost affiliate program payouts are, they do not have a cap. So unlike other affiliate programs, like let's say Airbnb hosts affiliate program, for instance, where the cap is at 10 hosts that you recommend, with Bluehost affiliate program there is no cap. As long as they make a purchase, Bluehost will still pay you for those that you recommend. The second advantage of participating in Bluehost's affiliate program is that Bluehost has a tiered commission structure. As I have mentioned, it starts from 65 US dollars, which is the lowest tier, and the highest tier is 130 US dollars. The more sales you make at a time, the higher your overall payout. The advantage is that when you sign up for the affiliate program, you can actually negotiate for a higher payout per sale. The third and most important advantage of participating in Bluehost's affiliate program is that they have a really helpful affiliate support team. So anytime I have had issues with my sales or anything, I have contacted Bluehost support team, and they have been really helpful. They respond in a very timely manner, and the advantage is that they have both they have actually email, chat, and phone support. The fourth advantage of participating in Bluehost affiliate program is that they have a really high conversion rate. Bluehost powers more than 2 million websites, and it is also the #1 recommended hosting plan for WordPress websites. And just because of that very easy, seamless relationship that exists between WordPress and Bluehost, Bluehost's affiliate marketing programs have very high conversion rate. So that means anytime you join their program, you are assured of making sales as long as you do your part. The other thing is that nearly all the new bloggers usually turn to WordPress. The fact that they turn to WordPress, it means that the chances of them signing up their hosting platforms with Bluehost are really high. So this really increases their conversion rate. The fifth, which might not be so nice, it may be nice but also not so nice because it brings a lot of competition, is that there are very low barriers to joining Bluehost's affiliate program. Like, it's very easy to sign up for Bluehost affiliate program, as I'm just going to show you in a bit. And basically everyone who owns a website is allowed to join Bluehost's affiliate program, and the sign-up process is so easy. It takes less than 5 minutes. The best part, especially if you're based out of Kenya or out of Africa, is that they pay out using PayPal. And again, getting a PayPal account is really easy. I'm going to leave a link at the bottom that shows you how to get your own PayPal account. So the number 6 advantage of joining Bluehost's affiliate program is the frequent discounts and promotions. As of the shooting of this video, Bluehost is currently paying $100 for every sale that you recommend and is eligible, and they make a purchase. Now, obviously, for every pro, there must be a con. So I'm just going to mention a few of the disadvantages or some of the challenges I've encountered as a Bluehost affiliate marketer. So the number 1 is their payout limit. They have a payout threshold, and the payout threshold for Bluehost.com is $100. So basically what that means is that you may have made a sale of $65 today, but you will not be paid that money until you make $100. And let's say you're in the category of $65 per sale. That means you're going to need to make at least 2 sales for you to get paid your money. So the money is just going to be sitting in your Bluehost affiliate account until such a time when you reach the threshold of at least $100. The only advantage is that this payout threshold only works for your first sale. In the oncoming month, this threshold will not apply. Other disadvantage of Bluehost's affiliate program is what they call user downgrade penalties. So this means that if somebody downgrades from a higher plan to a lower plan, Bluehost will deduct referral fees from your future earnings. And then the third disadvantage is that, like all other affiliate marketing programs, you need to be very good in SEO, what we call search engine optimization, so that people are actually able to find your referral link. So if you're not very good in search engine optimization, you're going to have a really hard time referring people to your affiliate programs. In order to become a Bluehost affiliate marketer or to join Bluehost's affiliate program, you'll need to own a website, right? So without much further ado, now that you know all the pros, we know all the cons, we know how much Bluehost is going to pay you as an affiliate marketer for them, let's head on over to my computer and I'll show you how to join Bluehost's affiliate program. So what you need to do is to go to bluehost.com and then scroll down all the way to the bottom and you click on this affiliate link and then sign up. So as you can see, refer visitors to Bluehost and earn $65 for each qualified link. You'll have to fill in all your information. You're going to need your account username. So, and you're coming up with your affiliate or account username, I suggest if you already have a brand name. So for instance, in my case, I have ivamtali.com, which is my website. It's also my YouTube account name, and it's also my Instagram account name, and that's the name that I use for my Bluehost affiliate link. And the importance of choosing a name that you use across your other social media platforms and other internet platforms is that this is a name that will appear in your affiliate link. So for example, let's say somebody found my affiliate link through my website. It only makes sense for them and when they click on it, and then they'll see that Eva Tali referred you to this Bluehost program. Yeah. And then you're going to need to, of course, enter your first name and last name. You're going to need your phone number. You're going to need your company. You're going to need your street address. If you have one, city, and then you also need your country. And as you can see here, it works globally. You can, my country, Kenya, is like it's literally all countries in the world. It doesn't matter where you're based at. All countries can participate in Bluehost affiliate program. And then you're going to need your primary URL. So obviously here we are talking about your website. That's why I said for you to participate in Bluehost affiliate program, you're going to need a website. So your primary URL is basically, like in my case, it's ivamtali.com. And then down here, you're going to need your payment information. So basically, as I already mentioned, one advantage of Bluehost is that they pay using PayPal. So you're going to need your PayPal email address. And as I mentioned, I'm going to leave a link at the bottom on how you can sign up for PayPal if you don't have one. It's very, very easy. So you're going to need your PayPal email address because this is whereby your payments are going to be channeled. If you're based out of Kenya, you know now that PayPal is linked to M-Pesa and you can withdraw your money straight from PayPal directly into your M-Pesa mobile money account. How cool is that? And then of course, once you have filled in all the details, just come here. I agree to the affiliate terms and conditions and privacy policy, and then you click on sign up. Once you have entered all the required information and you have accepted all the terms and conditions, you will wait for approval from Bluehost. You do it very, very fast. Usually, like in my case, it took less than 24 hours. And a lot of this process is automated. So as long as you're filling all the required details and everything is correct, then you're basically ready to sign up for Bluehost affiliate program. So, well, that's it for today in terms of making up to $130 per sale with Bluehost affiliate program. Make sure you watch out for the next video of where I will be sharing with you the different ways that you can use to promote your Bluehost affiliate links online and how you can make more money. Thank you for staying up to the very end, and I look forward to meeting you on the next one.